Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Mounts Automotive. Today I have a 2014 Mini Cooper Countryman, clean Carfax, one owner. I'm going to walk you around this Mini real fast and show you some features on it. Right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Now with the whole COVID-19 going on, we are working by appointment only. We can actually bring this vehicle to you as well at your house if you would like to look at it there. Now if you do schedule an appointment at the dealership, we will make sure that you are the only one here when you come to look at the vehicle. No rips or tears in these leather seats. These seats are going to be heated as well too. No cracking or fading in the dash. This car is extremely clean inside and out. Now we do have financing available as well too. A couple of our local credit unions are running some specials. I just got off the phone with Credit Union Bloomington. They're going to be running 2.99. Now you do have to qualify for that, of course. Again, no rips or tears in the leather seats back there. Now this is right here, it's just a little wax that my detail guy left on there. I'm gonna have him take care of that. 2014 Mini Countryman, clean Carfax, one owner. This one's a manual as well too, so it's a lot of fun to drive. We have financing available. We will bring this car to you up to a certain miles for you to take a look at it. We are working by appointment only. So when you do come look at the vehicle, you will be the only one here. If you would like to do the paperwork at your house, we can arrange that. Again, if you do the paperwork here, you will be the only one in the dealership. That way we are not around a whole bunch of different people there. Another shot of your rims and tires. Now this vehicle has completed a full inspection through our repair facility. We're going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on this Mini Cooper. We also have extended warranties for sale as well too. If that's something that you're interested in, I can have you talk to Brandon, our finance guy. He'd be more than happy to go over all that information with you. Let's hop inside and take a look around a little more. You do have a sunroof up top as well too. Of course, you have power windows, power locks. No rips or tears in your leather seats. It is a manual transmission. Push button start. Gotta push it in there. Got the nice big display there. No cracking or fading in the dash. I did not see any chipping or cracking in the windshield. I mentioned earlier you do have heated seats. Always nice to have. You'll have cruise control, and you're also going to have Bluetooth. Car currently has 70